Hi, and you are?
Mr. Methane. I am a performing flatulist. And...
Just do it.
OK, certainly. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put the art into fart. First of all, I just have to adopt the farting position. OK. You pick...
Who's that? That was a good one.
Music Maestro! Thank you.
Look at his face straining as he does it.
Thank you.
I'm not using that microphone up to him.
Thanks.
You are a disgusting creature.
Shall I go?
So Mr. Methane blew it.
Thank you very much.
Have you not seen that before?
No.
Oh, I have.
Oh, Steve, go check your shorts on the way out.
OK, thanks, guys. I think I will do.